Hello everyone, my name is Lalan Sharma. I am from Bihar. I am making my blogs for to learn English. I don't know fully English. I want to gain fluency in English, so I am making my blogs. I'll be practicing daily. I'll be practicing daily, and I'll make regular blogs. I am taking 30 days challenge to learn English, so I'll make 30 days blog. So I'll make 30-day one blog. So I'll make daily blogs. I'll make regularly 30 days blog. Daily I'll publish one blog. I'll upload one blog. So it will be so I want to practice my English, and I learn it very fastly and quickly because I am so nervous to speak in English. And whenever my friend asks like, how are you, Lalan Sharma, what are you doing in English, they are like, whenever I speak in English, they said like, your English is so poor and you can't spell correctly, your pronunciation is poor. So I am thinking to make regular blogs, and regularly I should make a video, so it will help me to learn English. Now I am in a temple, so you can see this is the temple stairs. Why I am saying this, like, if you want to learn English, you have to pronounce everything. You have to make a sentence whatever you see, so you can learn English easily. Like, I can say that is railing, this is wall, and I am wearing a cap. You can see there is many plants, and 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 many things. Whatever you see, you should say. So if you pronounce it and if you make a sentence, so you can learn English easily, because you have to say something, because always you have to make a sentence. So actually this is good idea, because I will gain my because I'll gain my English fluency, and also I am making my video, so I'll get some, so my channel will grow, and I'll be so thankful to all, for supporting me. So whenever you see videos, you can see this one, because you will also learn English by watching, because I am telling something, so you can also practice with me. I will be practicing daily, so you can learn by watching my video. If you want to join my channel, or if you want to practice with me, you can comment on this video. So I'll be messaging you, and I'll make a video meeting call, so you all will be there. So we'll do conversation, and I'll be learning English fast, and even you can be learning English fast. So please support me, and you can subscribe to this channel for the regular videos. So thanks to all. This is my 30-day challenge. So from tomorrow I'll upload day 1 blogs daily. I'll upload day 1, day 2, day 3 till 30 days. So okay guys, bye bye, we'll see. I'll meet in next videos. Actually, I don't know fully English, so someone told me like, how you are speaking English, your English is so poor. So I got to think that it is right, because I can't speak English to like so confidently, and even I feel so nervous when I make videos, or whenever I speak English with friends or anyone. I feel like really English matters. Like, you should know English, because if you don't know English, many people judge you, like what you are learning. Your dad spent so much money on your education, but you can't speak English. So this is so poor. So you should know how to speak English. This really matters. Everyone should know how to speak English. Like whoever is studying and going to schools or going to college, they should know how to speak English, and they should learn, like they should learn English. And I'm I'm taking 30 days challenge from today to, so I'll make daily, so I'll make daily blogs. So I'll make daily vlogs and I'll upload on this channel, so I'll be seeing my progress. And I want to learn English and I want to gain fluency in English, because I can speak English, but this is not good, like this is not so good and so correct. So so many times people say like your pronunciation is wrong and you can't pronounce English and you can't pronounce some words. So even I feel like this is really right, because sometimes people say, and sometimes I sometimes because of nervous also, I feel like I am saying wrong English. So I should learn this. English is not so hard. Even even if you try to learn English, you can do, but you have to be focused. You have to be consistent to learn English, because even when I was learning English, I was I was consistent to learn English. But now I am feeling like my English was so poor. My English is so poor because I have learned English, but this is not correct.